Hi, good morning. Today we're going to Cebu. Before we proceed to India, we are looking for a white sand beach. I really wanted to go to the beach. Hopefully the weather is fine and the air is good. Hopefully it's not so windy. Everybody's getting ready before we go to Cebu City. We are at Daku, Moalboal. Before heading to Cebu City, we actually drop here. We're gonna go for a swim and then we're gonna head down to Mindanao. I was on a quest for a white sand beach in the south of Cebu, and we decided to search for Bastaco Beach Resort in Moalboal, Cebu. It's 5 kilometers from the highway, and you can reach there by car, tricycle, or habal-habal. Although it's white sands, but I don't really like it because of the chunks of rocks on the beach. Clark, how's the swim?
Pretty good.
Yours?
Yeah, very relaxing.
Okay, that's for the swim today. Tomorrow will be another adventure. Yay! After Moaboal, we arrive here at the city of Naga in Cebu. Very wide space. It will look better in the evening. My father is trying to find the best pose for photo taking here. Smile! So we traveled for another 65.4 kilometers, that's about 1 hour and 34 minutes, and stopped at Naga, Cebu. Right guys, we're here at the city of Naga. It's the south of Cebu City. So if you're heading towards Moaboal, you're heading towards Uslub of Cebu, it's actually worth dropping here at Naga City. It's quite a nice place to visit because of the ambience, very conducive environment. It's a really nice park. You know, if you're tired of sitting on the car, you can also drop here, chill. Naga Bay Walk is a local park in Naga City, and it's the newest attraction in town. At approximately 8 hectares, it's wide enough to accommodate food shops, barbecue stalls, multi-purpose halls, and children's playground. While my husband was at the shop to install a dash camera in our car, we played bowling at this large shopping mall at SM Seaside City. That was another memories that we do together as a family. You too can do the same for your family. Thank you for watching. If you got family bonding ideas from this video, please like and subscribe. And hit the bell so that you will be notified on my next videos.